Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play War Thunder on mobile. First, let's get you set up. War Thunder Mobile is readily available for both Android and iOS devices. Simply head over to your device's official app store, search for War Thunder Mobile, and download it. Before you dive in, quickly check your device's specifications to ensure a smooth gameplay experience. It's a fantastic way to enjoy epic battles on the go, so let's get started with the basics. Now, let's talk about controls. On mobile, you'll primarily use touch input. The left side of your screen typically handles vehicle movement, like steering your tank or flying your aircraft. The right side is for camera control and aiming your weapons. You can tap on various on-screen buttons to fire, reload, or activate special abilities. Don't forget to explore the settings to customize your control layout for maximum comfort and efficiency during intense battles. Once you're comfortable with the controls, it's time to strategize. War Thunder Mobile offers diverse battle types, including thrilling air, ground, and naval engagements. Before entering a match, take a moment to understand your chosen vehicle's strengths and weaknesses. Positioning is key. Try to flank enemies or use cover effectively. Remember, teamwork often leads to victory, so communicate with your squad and work together to capture objectives and eliminate opponents. Finally, let's discuss progression and some helpful tips. As you play, you'll earn experience points and in-game currency, which you can use to research and unlock a vast array of new vehicles across different nations. Don't forget to upgrade your existing vehicles to boost their performance in battle. Participating in daily challenges can also provide valuable rewards. The more you play and practice, the better you'll become at dominating the battlefield. Good luck, Commander.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.